Rocky Point, Mexico, and on vacation, on our Thanksgiving vacation with the family. I had traditional Thanksgiving at home the other week, and now we're here to enjoy this very windy beach and have seafood for regular Thanksgiving. But in any case, I'm here to introduce you to another craft video. I'm thinking slime this time. What do you think? I've never made slime. I think you could do a lot of fun things with it. And I hope you enjoy it.
And here are the ingredients. We have washable Elmer's glue, hand lotion, essential oil, food coloring, a spatula, shave cream, Elmer's Macic Liquid, that's the key ingredient. And let's get started. So it's actually kind of hard to get all of the Elmer's glue out of this bottle, but we'll manage. The recipe is fairly loose. It's really forgiving. The only thing is that you need to get enough of the Elmer's Macic Liquid to form it into a consistency that you like. That's still pliable and stretchy and fun to play with, but doesn't stick to your hands too much. Of course, the essential oils and the glitter, which I think I didn't mention, the colorants are all optional, and the shave cream is there to make it fluffy. This is a fluffy slime. Oh, it's so much fun to see the colors swirl. Yeah, get those all mixed in. Now I made this a perfect color. Oh, add about a cup of the shave cream. Eyeball a cup, as I say, it doesn't matter that much. So it took out a lot of the color because I just added a bunch of more white to it, so I added more color and more smell, and you can add as much or little of those ingredients as you like. And now I'm starting with a little bit of the activator ingredient here, this Elmer's brand Macic Liquid. Of course, many people use contact solution and or anything else that has that chemical that makes it turn into slime. I just like the idea of using something that was already made for making slime. You just add the rest of your own ingredients. Oh, borax, that was it. I didn't want to have to mix up my own borax. This seemed a lot more safe. Oh yeah, we have a little helper. My son really wanted to help me make this. And I was like, I didn't know if this was a right consistency, so I kept poking it and it would continue to stick to my fingers. Here we go, giving it a good test, but oh no, it's stuck. Ah, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna get it off? Ah. It comes off eventually. I just got it all over my glass bowl and all over what I was using. Okay, yeah, not time to touch it yet. Don't touch it yet. Luckily it sticks to itself slightly more than it sticks to your skin. Oh, the other key is to moisturize your hand, and then it doesn't stick to it as much. If your hand's really dry, it'll stick to your dry hands. And okay, yep, there he goes. He really liked those glitters. Good thing he couldn't get the lids off. Here I am trying to free myself from the goo. Okay, more activating liquid. Get that good and mixed in. Probably, since I was doing this by hand somewhat, I'm going to be picking it up and molding it with my hands. Kneading it with my hands, I should say. I probably should have used gloves until I was sure it was mixed in enough. I don't know how much you really want to be touching that Macic Liquid there. So I would recommend gloves. This looks like a good place to take the slime out and start kneading it by hand, experimenting with texture and everything. As you can see, it's already doing the twirl thing, which is especially satisfying to do with this fluffy slime. And when you tug it hard and break it in two, you can see it makes a a fun pattern. Okay, it's nice and pokeable, but I think I'm going to add a little bit more solution. Make it just a little bit firmer and less sticky. But as I said, probably want to use gloves. I'm not quite sure what's in that liquid. And alright, it's glitter time. I'm going to use a mixture of gold and purple. And we have a little helper. He wanted green. I'll make him a green one next. Once I made this stuff up, I just fell in love. I could not wait to make more. I ran out and I bought more ingredients right away. And then promptly didn't have time to do it because it was Christmas. I had the idea of maybe making some friends some Christmas presents, and I don't know, maybe I can make them some belated Christmas presents in any case. Alright, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking that it doesn't quite have enough glitter. As you can see from this cross section, it's very light on the glitter. Glitter is so much fun. Of course, I got this cheap glitter from the craft store, but I'm hearing really good things about biodegradable glitter these days. I might order up some of that. And having a little fun with my reversing my footage. Oh man, look at that stretch. Look at that glitter. I am just so pleased. Look at the glitter. And it's stretching really pleasantly and rolling up really nicely, and just so much fun, and it doesn't stick anymore. And I just wanted to show you guys how, you know, it doesn't magically form into the perfect consistency. You kind of really have to. It's a little bit of guesswork, and it can be sticky at first, but you'll get the hang of it really fast. And I don't know, it's almost more fun to make, but it's also so satisfying to play with and jiggle. Slow motion jiggle. And while we watched the slime in motion, I just want to put a little something out there to my family and friends to please subscribe. You'll find the subscribe button below the video feed on the right hand side, just below where you're seeing the video playing. If you subscribe, it helps me out so much. I'm really trying to get this channel up and running so it can be something that I can do for a little something on the side for the family. You know, I might get a little kickback from YouTube if I get enough subscribers and enough viewers. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing, and let's see if we can make this a go for this year.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye. Busy. No thanks.